Hi there everyone, Shaba's back with another video. So in this video we are going to unbox a Circle 400 watt PSU which is CPH698, which is a 400 watt PSU. So without further ado, let's start it and talk about some features. So this PSU is a budget oriented one which costs around 800 rupees, or you can get cheap if you buy offline. So this is a 400 watt PSU which is mainly focused on the budget range. So at the front side of the box you can see a Circle branding and a model number which is CPH698 400, and you can see 3-year warranty, 20 cm silent fan and a live SIM support. At the side there are some description about the product, as you can see. And in another corner you can see some detailed information about the product, which price and the service company, etc. So let's unbox this thing. As you can see, it's a simple box, a white box which carries the PSU. I bought this from Amazon for 800 rupees. As you can see, this is the PSU itself and nothing inside the box, a PSU and a power cord. So on the PSU we can see some information about the current and details, and it's have a power adapter which is fairly quite good for Indians. So as you can see, all the details and current supply will be here. You can check it, and you can also see some quality checks there. As you can see here, you can connect the connector, and here is the 12 cm cooling fan. So that's itself. It's a 400 watt PSU, basic for your computer. So let's look the wires inside this. So it's a 24 pin motherboard connector, mainly go to the motherboard, and it's also have a 4 pin CPU connector, and it's contain 2 Molex connectors and 3 SATA cables. As you can see here, 2 Molex and 3 SATA power connectors. So nothing more about it. It's a basic one for your PC. So at the end, watch this towards the end. So I'm going to cover some more details in this. So guys, if you are on budget, you can easily buy this PSU for your computer. It's only 8,000 rupees. So buy if you are on a tight budget. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give a like, and that's it for this video. Have a nice day.